In this video, I'm going to show you how to explain complex services in simple proposal terms so you can communicate with clarity and keep your clients engaged. If you've ever struggled with breaking down complicated offerings into something easy to digest, stick around. By the end, you'll have some actionable tips you can use right away to simplify any proposal, no matter how complex. The first step to explaining complex services is to focus on the benefits, instead of the technical details. Your client cares about how your service will solve their problems, not about the intricate processes behind it. So, instead of diving into how your service works, highlight the end results. For example, if you're offering a software solution, talk about how it will save them time, reduce costs, or increase efficiency. The how is important, but the what's in it for them is what they care about. Next, break down the service into digestible chunks. People often struggle to grasp complex ideas when they're presented all at once. Simplify it by breaking your service into smaller, easy to understand pieces. Use clear, everyday language. Imagine explaining the service to a friend who knows nothing about your industry. What would you say? Use that same approach in your proposals. Another great tip is to use analogies or comparisons. Analogies can be a powerful tool to make abstract or complex concepts more relatable. For instance, if you're explaining a cloud storage solution, compare it to a digital filing cabinet, something people are familiar with. This helps your clients visualize how your service fits into their world. Also, keep your language simple and direct. Avoid jargon or industry-specific terms that might confuse your client. Use short sentences and bullet points to get your message across quickly and effectively. Think of it as a conversation, not a technical dissertation. The simpler you make it, the more likely your client is to understand and be convinced. You also want to emphasize how your service is unique or different from others. Rather than getting into the nitty-gritty details, highlight what makes your service stand out. Explain why your solution is better for their specific needs. This adds value without overloading them with unnecessary information. Now, let's talk about visuals. If possible, include visuals in your proposal. A simple diagram or flowchart can help illustrate your points more effectively than just text. A visual can show how your service fits into the bigger picture and how it will help the client achieve their goals. Another trick is to focus on the client's pain points. Make sure to directly address the issues they're facing and show them how your service will make their lives easier. This approach will keep the proposal focused on what truly matters to the client, and it will also make your solution seem more tangible. Lastly, give your client an easy way to take the next step. Whether it's scheduling a call, signing a contract, or setting up a demo, make sure that the process is as simple as possible. Don't bury your call to action at the end of a long paragraph. Keep it clear, direct, and actionable. And to summarize, explaining complex services in simple proposal terms comes down to focusing on benefits over features, breaking down the service into digestible chunks, using analogies, keeping language simple, highlighting your unique value, and using visuals to clarify your points. And of course, always make sure your call to action is clear. Key takeaway: simplify your message by focusing on what your service will do for the client, breaking it down into manageable pieces, and making it relatable. The more you focus on clarity, the more likely your proposal will resonate with your client. Before I wrap up, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video. You'll find the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.